Okay, here we are at MLSvideotours.com. This is a WordPress CMS for real estate. It's custom made for real estate. And I've put together a site here so we can look at how it works. It can be used by one company or one agent. You can have multiple agents. You can have multiple companies like I've done in the example here. You can browse the site. I've got a few different options here for it right now, and I put in some Alabama and some Florida stuff as far as listings go right now, and I've added the videos. Let's take a look at the all listings page. Now, of course, you're only seeing part of the page here, and each listing comes up in a window like that when you search it, and then you roll over it to take a look at any one of them. Let's take a look at this one here, and I'll scroll through it so you can see what the final listing looks like. Unfortunately, I have not been able to incorporate IDX with this just yet, but I think it can be done. But it's a real nice master here, and has a lot of options. Looking at this listing here, you can see we upload a whole bunch of pictures, and another thing now, I can do this for somebody, or I can do it and also teach somebody how to do it themselves, to add their listings after I've built the template. Building the template takes a few hours, and there's some costs involved, including server storage and so on. But it's really nice. Some of the search features are nice too. Down here you have videos, but I have to put the videos either on YouTube or Vimeo. I only have a couple options here as to where I could put these. I'm having a hard time getting this framed in the window there, but you can kind of see what's going on here. They come up in a light box, and this is from
I know you hear it all the time,
show in
this is true.
In Dothan.
The curb appeal
This
from
is
this
Ramona
home
Miley.
is evident from the moment you come into the cul-de-sac.
Really quite good on TV.
This is
a feature home.
You really have to visit.
We
to
have one
appreciate
feature
all
home
the
per week.
extras. Hello, I'm Ramona Miley, and welcome to 108 Cardinal in Brentwood West. It's a storybook home. It has over 3,200 square feet.
Let's close her out of there and take a look at the rest of the listing page. As you can see, she puts a lot of text in. Actually, the text here is her text from the presentation, which you just heard her saying. It's all right there. And down at the bottom of all the listings, you got the contact information for the agent, their phone, and direct email contact by filling out this form here, which is really nice. You may not like forms, but what's nice about the form is it protects your email address from spammers. On the bottom, there's two maps. The top one is your standard Google map. The bottom one, in this case, is not functioning, but it's the street view. This particular property does not have a street view. That's why we don't have one here. But so that's pretty sharp. Along with a site like this, I put all the documentation in there, and you know, the built-in contact form, but it's also a full-blown blog. And we're not looking at the blog because I haven't really built it up yet. I'm going to put something here. It says about the area, but that's going to change. We have listings on the side. Now we can have any text we want here. You know, in this case, I got about the area. We could put information about Panama City in there. There's no limit to how many pages you have. We can do that. We got full searchability over here, and we got a really nice mortgage calculator. This baby is really nice. Let's say we've got, let's go ahead and do it, and do 6% here, and we'll do 30 years, and we'll put 25,000 down, and that's going to work out our payment schedule there. It's really a nice little feature. And it's got more detail down here. Of course, the window's not scrolling down there for us to see it, but it's got the payments over a year, the payments over the lifetime, and other features. It works really well. And so does this here. We can have the property types broken down here: commercial, condo, Bellfront, single family. But locations can be broken out too. You know, for example, for Panama City Beach, you could have Lynn Haven, Panama City, St. Andrews, whatever, however you want to break it down. And then it breaks down by price range. Okay, and I think probably more people are interested in the price range type of deal. If we go to the 200 to 299, it's going to show us the listings in that price range and only that price range, and nothing else. So there's a quick look at it, and it's a nice interface, and it doesn't have a lot of cost. It doesn't have a monthly service fee or anything like that, and it's really quite easy to use. A little bit of training. The setup has to be done by me because the setup is not easy. To do this first one took me almost a whole day, but now that I know how to do it, I can do it in a matter of hours, I would have to guess. So something for you to consider. Take a look at it.